We're going to get this cauliflower going for the cauliflower mash. So while we're doing our kale, our cauliflower is going to be blanching. So basically, you just cut it right off the stem, right? Let it fall. And it's very simple. And it's just big chunks. And then you always make sure you heavily season your water, but we're doing healthy cooking. So we're just going to go light seasoning on our water. And we're going to get this blanched for our cauliflower mash. Blanch is basically just cooking it down in some steamed water. You can steam it, or you can put in some boiling water, and so it boils it together, or blanching it, and then take it out right into a bowl, and then we're going to mash it. Lots of different things you can add to this right now, because it's just the base, right? And what we're just going to add, we're going to add very simple salt and pepper, and a little bit of fresh thyme. On the menu, I have roasted garlic on the menu, on the recipe cards. You can do chopped garlic. You can add some caramelized onions, whatever you would like. So what we do, we just pluck it off the stems, and then a simple rough chop. All right, now we're just going to mash it down. Any kind of little masher you have on the recipe, we put fruit processor too. You can throw this right into a fruit processor. You just simply mash it down a little bit. All right. And then we're just, for this one, to make sure it's healthy, all it has is a little bit of olive oil in there, salt and pepper, thyme, and garlic. Beautiful. So some smashed cauliflower with some fresh thyme and olive oil. Very healthy. And then we can finish it with a little fresh parsley on top. Let's kind of roll it up a little bit. Little fresh parsley on top. Very simple, very fresh.